Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Smart Unlimited channel. I hope you are doing good and keeping safe. It's another beautiful day. Here again, I'm here to continue sharing with you opportunities in SUI network and getting ready for the airdrop. I will be sharing with you options, privileges that are there, and how to interact with the network so that you'll be in a good position for the airdrop that is coming very, very, very soon. And if you are coming to this channel for the first time, I say welcome. This is the crypto channel where we share opportunities that are out there with you. And please don't forget, this is not a financial advice. It is expedient to carry out your own research about this. I'm not a financial advisor. And I also want to thank my subscribers thus far for coming back again to watch content I've shared on this channel. Thank you so much. Without wasting your time, let me go straight to business of the day. In the last video, I shared with you how to get started in the SUI network ecosystem so that you can be opportune to receive airdrop from them. Number one thing I mentioned was to read through the ecosystem details, the document, and also join the Discord channel, and as well download the browser extension on your devices and get your account running. And you need to have some SUI token in your wallet, okay. Once you successfully downloaded it on the browser extension, you log in and you continue to claim the testnet tokens. Now today I will be sharing with you how to get started, how to claim your Web3 domain name. Now on the SUI network, there is this SUI name service. You can see here SUI name service. I will be dropping the link to this website in the description panel of this video. Just follow it. It's a simple and straightforward, and I will be showing you in details what this meant. And as a matter of fact, you will be using the DevNet testnet for this website, for this activity. Now it means you can claim your domain, your name, instead of the long wallet addresses. If, for instance, if you come to the SUI wallet here, once I want to click my address, this is alphanumeric figures that are almost 20, 30, almost very long like that. But now you can easily convert these into your own preferred name, into your own. If your name is John, you can easily choose john.sui or thereabout, or any name of your choice, and get them registered. But like I said, this is on a DevNet, like a developer testnet. Then what does that mean? You will come to your SUI wallet, your SUI wallet. You will come to the three horizontal lines at the top right corner. You're going to change the network to SUI DevNet. You change it to SUI DevNet. Then by that, you have successfully changed it. And here, because I'm already connected, you will have to connect your wallet. Once you successfully connect your wallet, it's going to show as your address here. All right. So this is what you have to do that. Number one, like I said, for example, if your name is James, let me search for James here. James, let's see what we pop up for us. Now, James has already been claimed by someone else. And let me go to James Anthony. Now, this name is available in the jamesanthony.sui and jamesanthony.move. You can easily claim these domain names for yourself. How do you do that? Since you have easily changed the network to the DevNet, you just click this. Okay, it will pop up for you here. Okay, let's just wait, because sometimes this buffering may delay. Let's wait for a few seconds, please. Yes, so now it's popped up. You can see register name. Once you click this, it will pop up in your wallet to activate the signature. Let's wait for a few seconds as well. So now it's popped up. Now it popped up in the wallet to sign the transaction on. Then I click the approve It's going to buffer for a few seconds as well. Just wait and see what will happen. It's the buffering. Now you have to sign again for the gas fee. Then I click this again, approve. Now what you see now, registration registered successfully. Please wait a moment. You will be redirected to your wallet. So that is how to do. Let's just wait for it to redirect us to see what we have done. Yeah, so it's really taking time to load. You just have to be patient with this page. As you can see from your registered name, the names I've registered thus far is 122. You can register any name of your choice as they come to your mind, because very soon they will be opening this auction platform and also the transfer. In this auction, you can sell those domains you have claimed. You can easily make cool cash in this name service, the SuiNS service built on SUI blockchain. It is so interesting. You may want to take this opportunity or this option to interact with the SUI network so that you stand a chance of receiving the airdrop. This is what I have to share with you today on this channel. Please don't forget to watch the previous video on airdrop on about SUI network. It will be of benefit to you. Like I said, don't forget, this is not a financial advice. This is meant for entertainment purposes only. Thank you so much for coming by. If you have any question, please do drop them in the comment section of this video, and also all the links that is required to get this done, I will be dropping in the description panel of the video. Stay blessed, stay out of trouble. Till next time, God bless you. Cheers.